Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be giving a quick tour on a Lexus IS250 2006 model, and this car was bought from Copart. As you can see, there's a damage at the front here, making it look ugly. And what we'll be doing is to take a quick tour on the vehicle and see what needs to be replaced. Right now you can see the hood, it's damaged and this needs to be replaced, and the grey as well also needs to be replaced. And if you take a walk around, you can see the headlamp that needs to be cleaned. I'm kind of feeling to replace the bumper because I can see some slight damage in here, and that has made this bumper to be replaced. I can see the panel exterior looks good. There's kind of a panel gap which is close compared to the other side. You take a tour around to the other side, you can see that looks better compared to the other one. And look at this other side of the vehicle, you can see how good it is, and nothing really on this side of the vehicle looks bad. We can go back to this other side. Like I said earlier, this have to be adjusted just to shift the panel forward, and that will give that gap back to its original state. And on this other side of the vehicle, you can see it's all looking good, and it kind of comes with a very good tire. That tire is not bad, very good, very good. You tried, it's very okay, very good. You can see from the rear, yeah. So little scratch on the rear bumper, and on the right side of the vehicle, it all looks good. A car of its age, 2006 model Lexus. You can see the badge here, Lexus IS250. In good shape, in good shape, in good shape, in good shape. We'll quickly do a tour to the hood and see what's under the hood. One thing I noticed was the engine cover protector clips is missing, so that will be put back to its original state. And let's quickly remove all these plastics. Now we can see how far the damage has gone, and so far it's just the rear. The bumper grill is bad, and radiator support will be replaced, and also this will also be replaced. So far there's nothing aside from this damage. In here there's no damage. We'll get this when we bring out this bumper, we can see if there's any other damage to the front. But from what I can see, bumper will be replaced, grille will be replaced, radiator top cover protector will be replaced, and that can get the baby back on the road. And a quick tour to the interior. The car did come with one key. wonky. I noticed there is a gap in here. I don't know what happened. That will be investigated. And also, it seems like a switch that is missing. I'm suspecting that could be the boot trunk release. Interior is very dirty and needs a deep clean. So far, you can see how dusty and dirty it is. That the seat is okay, it looks okay, just a clean up on the seats. We do have the service history and lock, wheel lock, both wheel lock unlocker. And also, let's quickly keep the baby on and see how it sounds. So far, you can see it sounds very well and healthy. No engine lights, no, apart from handbrake, door and seatbelt, hood, bonnet, signed, and it did come with 85,000 miles, which is very good, very good, very good. Yeah. So a deep clean to the interior. On the rest side of the interior, you can see same with the seats, needs to be cleaned. So far, this needs to be cleaned. We can go to the trunk and see what happened. I guess the trunk needs the key. So we can say yeah, wow. So the trunk, I don't know what happened, but very dirty and nasty. The trunk needs a good clean. We'll get this baby girl back on the road. So watch out for subsequent video on getting this baby back and see how we can get the parts. You can see the engine sounds very well, very good, very good. I'm happy, especially for the engine. No fault lights, nothing. So which that is a very good sign. Sounds very well. Okay guys, anyone have any idea on what should be there? So please put it on comment section. And also, quick one, does anyone have any idea what this cable is? Also pop it down on the comment section, that will be helpful. And thank you guys, thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and like, and watch out for subsequent parts on fixing and rebuilding this Lexus IS250 2006 model, and put this baby back on the road. Thank you guys.